Are you sick of posting on TikTok and making $0? You're not alone. You didn't sign up to be a broke influencer. You want to grow your income and build a real business. Not someday, not after you get 10,000 followers, but from day one. This video is going to show you the smartest way to do it. Even if you're starting from scratch, have nothing to sell yet, or don't understand how the TikTok algorithm works. Here's the truth. Views don't pay the bills. And you don't need millions of views or 100,000 followers to make money on TikTok. You just need the right people seeing the right kind of content. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, proven system to turn just one video per day into consistent sales starting from day one. With this approach, the number of followers you have is practically irrelevant. You could be like my client Jared, who made $75,000 in his first month on TikTok. And you don't need TikTok Shop or to wait until you're in the TikTok Creator Rewards program to monetize either. You'll actually earn more with less followers doing what I'm about to teach you. It all starts with how you make videos. Most creators start by asking the wrong question. They're asking, what kind of content should I make? Instead, ask yourself who, what, and how. Who does my content help? What do they need? And how do I help them? This approach changes everything because now you're not creating content for an algorithm. You're creating content for a person, for one specific viewer. Even Mr. Beast says that if you want to be successful, you need to replace the word algorithm with audience.
Literally anytime you use the word algorithm, just replace it with audience. I actually do the same thing because people will be like, should I upload at midnight? Will the algorithm punish me? And like, it's literally simple. Are your viewers on at midnight? You know what I mean?
I call this approach the one viewer model. And it's the idea that if you create content for one specific person, that the algorithm is actually going to go out there and find every single person on the platform that fits those criteria, that is interested in that content. But in order for it to work, you have to get clear on those three questions before you post a single video. So grab some pen and paper and just think about it. Like number one, who is that one ideal viewer that you want to attract with your content, that you want to make content for? What is the specific problem that they're struggling with, that you can help them with, that you've experienced in your life? A lot of times that one viewer is actually us at a point in our past. There's something that we've done, a transformation that we've gone through that has changed our lives, and now we're passionate about it. We want to help other people do the same by sharing that knowledge and sharing the things that we wish that we had known when we were in their shoes. And those lessons are the third part. That's the how. How is it that we help those people solve that problem that they're struggling with? How did we solve it for ourselves? Getting clear on those three things is how you create content that attracts buyers. Not content that gets likes, not content that goes viral, although it can, but content that gets the right person to say,
wait, this is for me.
That's the experience that you need to create to turn your viewers into followers and to make money from your content. Let me give you an example. One of my clients is an online fitness coach that helps busy dads over 40 to lose weight, even though they don't feel like they have any time because of their career and their family responsibilities. His videos aren't flashy, but every single one of them speaks directly to his viewers' pain, and it paints a picture of the transformation and what they could have in their life. Most creators don't do that. Most creators are out there chasing trends, hoping that they blow up. Because most creators mistakenly think that getting views and going viral is gonna make you rich. They don't realize that many of the influencers that made them want to start creating content are actually flat out broke. Or that there are creators that have very modest followings that aren't even getting crazy views, but are actually making as much as 6 figures per month. And the reason for that is because there are many different ways to make money on TikTok, and they can actually be split into 2 different categories. Most TikTok creators wait until they have 10,000 followers before they even think about how they're gonna make money from their content, and that's because they only know about the first category. The first category is monetization strategies that are dependent on views. These are things like the Creator Rewards program, sponsorships, that kind of stuff. And here's what you need to know about that first category. Let's start with the TikTok Creator Rewards program and the requirements to actually join it and how you get paid. In order to get those payouts, not only do you have to live in the countries that actually offer the Creator Rewards program, but you have to have 10,000 followers and you have to have 100,000 views in the last 30 days. And so if you have a bad month and you drop below 100,000 views, you're out and now you have to get back in. Now here's the crazy part. TikTok is going to pay you between 50 cents and $1 RPM. And RPM just means what's the rate that they're gonna pay you for 1,000 views. So yeah, think about that. 50 cents to $1 for 1,000 views. That means that you need 1 million views on a video in order to earn $1,000. And that's a lot of views to begin with, but what you may not realize is that it only counts qualified views. So what's a qualified view? Qualified views are the views that come from the For You page exclusively, not people going to your profile and watching your video. But it's not just that. In order for it to be a qualified view, the people actually have to watch at least 5 seconds of the video. So not all views are created equal. Because when you look at how many views any of your videos have, what it's really telling you is how many times was your video shown in the feed. Not how many times did people actually watch the video, but how many times did they have the chance to watch the video. So every time that somebody sees your video and swipes past it, that counts as a view, but it's clearly not a qualified view because they didn't watch 5 seconds. So if only 20% of the people that were served your video actually watch it for 5 seconds, that means that you would actually need 5 million views in order to get 1 million qualified views to earn $1,000. So not only are you being paid pennies, but you have to get a ton of views. It's not the best way to make money. And for most people, and by most, I mean like 98% of people, it's not going to pay the bills. And it's pretty much the same way with sponsorships. Yes, it's very cool to get paid by a company that wants you to promote them in your video. But if you don't have a large following and you're not consistently getting a ton of views on all of your videos, then no company is going to want to pay you for your TikTok. Which leads us to the second category. This group of monetization strategies is all about selling something. That can be digital products, coaching services, stuff like that. These methods are not view dependent and they don't require a large following to make really good money. Like replace your income work from anywhere type of money. You just need to make the right type of content and have a link in your bio that you can sell from. You can post one simple video per day and turn your viewers into buyers without needing to go viral. And the best part is that you can monetize from your very first video. This is the smart way to make money on TikTok, and I'm gonna show you how to do it in 3 steps. Step number 1, we're gonna take those questions from earlier, the who, the what, and the how, and we're gonna turn them into something called a transformation statement. A transformation statement goes a little something like this. I help this person go from struggle to outcome so they can get this desired result or life improvement. You might need to back up and write that down, but let me give you a couple of examples. I help coaches, that's the person, the who, go from posting 3 to 5 times per day on TikTok and making no money, that's the struggle, to landing clients every week posting just 1 video per day. That's the outcome. So they can start earning a consistent income from their content and have more time, financial, and location freedom. Or your transformation statement could be something like, I help dads over 40 go from dad bod to shirt off shredded, so they can feel better, look better for their wife, and have more energy for their kids. Developing this statement is the secret sauce to getting the right viewers. The viewers that allow you to earn $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 a month, even if you have a small following. Once you get clear on who you serve and the transformation that you're providing, the next step is to package your knowledge into a digital product. That could be an online program, which is what I recommend, or it could be one-on-one coaching or whatever. For example, my client Leslie created a comprehensive program around her passion. She showed people how they could actually sew their own clothing. And my client Jason created an online program for regular men and women like you and me who have a job and have a family and just wanted a simple way to lose weight without having to do cardio, because cardio sucks. No offense to my client Kyle who creates content for runners. That's just my feelings. I still support you, Kyle. But going back to my client Jason, he made his program before he ever posted a video. That's why he was able to turn his views into a $50K a month business and completely replace his teacher salary. You have to know what you're selling before you post your first video. You have to have something to offer. That doesn't mean it needs to be created or be ready to sell yet, but you need to know what it is. That way you know what type of content to create and you can build the audience of viewers who are going to be interested in that thing. That's what most people get completely wrong on TikTok. They spend months creating content and building an audience, and then they try to figure out what they're going to sell to them. But with this one viewer model, you know exactly what you're going to sell before you even think about posting your first video. That means that every piece of content that you create is going to be designed to attract your ideal client, not to get empty views from random people that may never buy from you. Then all you have to do is fuel the system. That's step number 3. You make 1 video a day that's designed to help your viewers achieve that transformation, to get that outcome that they want, to solve the problem they're dealing with. Instead of wasting time on random content, you're building a content funnel. Strategic videos that turn your viewers into leads and your leads into sales. And later in this video, I'm going to give you a very simple content plan, so you know exactly what type of content to create to build your content funnel and attract these clients. But first, let's get practical. How do you turn viewers into clients? What is the mechanism that you use? I mentioned earlier that all you need is something to sell and a link to sell it from. And at this point, you know what you're selling and you're creating content to attract those people. But now you need a system that you can plug into that link in your bio so you can sell your online program. And I'm going to make it really easy easy for you and show you the exact system that everyone I work with uses to get clients. So we're here on my computer inside of Go High Level, which is what we use to collect leads right from your TikTok profile. And this system that we use that we call our content to client system really boils down to 3 things that you need to do. The first one is that you need to offer some sort of valuable freebie in order to get those leads, in order to get their name, email, phone number. That way you can contact them and you can send them marketing materials and more content and nurture them until they become a buyer. And one of the best ways to do that, especially on a video platform like TikTok, is to offer them a longer video training that helps them to solve their problem and get that transformation. And so we're going to use something like this, like a workshop funnel, where we are going to create a longer form video that they can watch that helps them take those next steps, and more importantly, gives them more face time with you, where you can tell stories and you can share your system and you can talk about the problems that they're experiencing and how you've been in their shoes and what it takes to get where they want to go, and share your methodology, the way that you help people get from point A to point B and achieve that transformation. Now, I'm in the editor, but if we look at this a little more closely, you can see what it's going to look like when they actually click on that link in your bio. And obviously, you would have a video here or a picture. This is the page where you're collecting their information. And so you're going to tell them what it's about, what it is that they're going to get, and they're going to click that button and they're going to enter their information. And after they do, it's going to add it into your system. That way you can have a conversation with them and you can get them into your program, and then it's going to take them to that video training and they can watch it. Now, I mentioned that you're going to have a conversation. Sales is just conversation. You're going to talk to people and you're going to find out more about them. You're going to dig into their struggles and their desires and what it is that they need help with. And then you're either going to sell them into your online program or you're going to get them onto a call. And rather than spending all day following up with these people, we're going to leverage automations to do it. We're going to use this system to send automated text messages to every single person that signs up for your freebie. We're going to send a message that actually delivers the video to them so they can watch it right there on their phone. And then we're going to send other messages that are going to follow up, and they're going to find out what it is that they're dealing with and why they signed up and what kind of help that they need. And all of this is going to sound completely natural, like a real person is sending it, and it's going to go for a week until they're ready to respond and they're ready to talk to you. When that happens, the system's going to notify you. That way you can jump in and you only have to talk to the people that are ready to talk and learn about your program. Then you can sell it to them over text, or you can move them onto a call where you can answer their questions and reassure them that you can actually help them. So a system like this makes it where people who discover your content and want help getting that transformation can raise their hand and show that they're interested by signing up for your freebie. Then the automations separate the people that are just window shopping so that you only have to talk to serious potential customers that are actually interested in your online program. Now, I told you I was going to make this easy for you, and here's how. You don't actually have to learn how to do this and build all of it for yourself inside of Go High Level. I've already built the entire thing for you, and you can get it for free using the link in the description. You literally just sign up for a 14-day free trial of Go High Level, and with one button click, it loads everything into your account. Plus, you're going to get a bunch of bonuses that I put together to help you launch faster and start booking clients from your content ASAP. The first is called 5-Minute Funnels for Coaches. It's a mini training that shows you how to customize and launch this entire system without getting stuck in tech hell. You're also going to get my Fast Start checklist. This gives you visual step-by-step guidance to help you set up your entire client conversion system, like customize it and everything, in under an hour. Then you get my content to client system training. I told you that this is exactly what everyone I work with uses to get clients from their content. And this video training explains my entire strategy from turning your TikTok views into clients using the pre-built systems that we're giving you. And finally, I'm going to give you my TikTok Growth Challenge. This is a 5-day mini course that shows you exactly how to set up your TikTok account, how to do content research, and start creating content that attracts clients from day one. Once you've installed this system, all you have to do is create one helpful piece of content per day. You're going to get more people checking out your profile and more people clicking that link in your bio and grabbing your freebie. To make that process easier for you, I have a very simple content plan that I want you to follow. I'm going to share the exact type of content that I want you to make and the only 3 metrics that you need to focus on to improve your content. Every video that you make should deliver what I call a mini transformation, not just deliver information. You are not Google. You are not a dictionary. People can get information for free from anywhere. But what's hard to find is transformational content that actually helps people get from point A to point B. And part of why it's hard and why there's such a low bar to success on TikTok is because most people hide the ball. Most people don't give you the answers. And so if you actually help people, you are going to get the views and the followers, and people are going to invest in you because they're going to like you and they're actually going to trust you. So here's how you do that in your content. Every video, I want you to do these things. Be ultra specific about who the video is for. If you're a dad over 40 that's struggling to lose weight because you just don't have a lot of time because of your job and coaching Little League and just being a good dad and doing all of the things that you have going on in your life, then let me show you the one thing that helped me go from dad bod to shirt off shredded. Now, I'm more dad bod than shirt off shredded, but I wanted to give you an example. The next thing that you need to do, these are short pieces of content. So you need to address one urgent problem in every video. That's it. And then deliver a tangible result or mindset shift and do it in like 30 to 60 seconds. You can go longer, but that length is going to get you the most views and the most leads in the early stages. And then finally, you need to bridge to the next step. And what I mean by that is like, what do you want them to do next after they watch that video? You want to get them to take action. But I don't want you to do the typical calls to action that most people do where it's like
this video, follow me, or go check out the link in my bio.
I know that's where you want to take them, but that's not what I want you to do. But you got to make sure that you're getting the views. That way they check out your profile and they go there. And that means that people need to engage with your video and they actually need to finish your video. So instead of those typical calls to action, I want you to create engagement. So if the next step is to point them toward a longer video, I want you to say, comment below if you want this video about this thing, and then end it. Or you can say, if you want me to create a video about XYZ, whatever step 2 is, then leave this comment. Invite them to engage. Because the more people that are engaging and commenting and sharing your video, the more TikTok's gonna push it out in the algorithm, the more it's gonna show it to people, and you're gonna get the bigger views, and you're gonna drive more traffic to that link. But it's also gonna create a lot more watch time. Because the entire time that people are in the comments and they're trying to type whatever word you told them to type, that video's playing, baby. And it's racking up watch time, and you're getting more views because of it. Now, one of the great things is that TikTok is improving their analytics even more over time. It's not YouTube levels yet, but it's starting to get there. But there's only a few metrics that matter if you want to improve your content. So here's what you should track on TikTok if you're serious about earning an income. Number 1 is hook retention. You should nail that first 3 seconds. It's the most important part of the entire video. It's not just what you're saying either. Yes, that needs to hook the viewer. It needs to get them curious. It needs to get them to keep watching. But before that even happens, you have to get them to stop scrolling. Remember when we talked about the Creator Rewards program and I said qualified views are only the people that watch the first 5 seconds? So you get a regular view if somebody sees the video and swipes past it. We don't want them to swipe. We want them to stop and watch. And so one of the best things that you can do is add a text title to your video. Just put text above your head at the very start of the video. Make it relevant to your viewer, relevant to the problem that you're helping them with in that video, and create some curiosity. Make it so that when they're scrolling and they see that text, they go,
oh, this is for me. I need to stop and watch.
And then use proven hooks from successful videos in your niche that you know are going to work. That way you can grab their attention in that first 3 seconds after they do start watching. The second metric that you want to focus on is average watch time plus completion rate. And I already touched on this a little bit earlier when I was talking about engagement. If people stick around and watch a lot of your video, then it's going to get pushed more. That's what TikTok wants to see. But you can't game the system by just recording longer videos. That way you get more watch time if people aren't finishing as big of a percentage or they're not finishing the video at all. That's why I said focus on that 30 to 60 second content at first. Get really good at making people watch shorter videos the whole way through. Metric number 3 is leads per video. Once you have that link in your bio, how many leads are you getting every day? Compare that to your views. That's what matters. More than the views is how many leads are you getting? And if you're posting 1 video per day, you're gonna have a pretty good idea where the leads are coming from. Maybe you have an old video that's still getting lots of views because it's going semi-viral. Or maybe the video that you posted today just really resonated with your ideal audience. That's gonna give you clues about the type of content that you should be creating. As you can see, we're not measuring vanity metrics. We're measuring metrics that actually matter to getting views, building trust with our audience, and making sales. When you're following this one viewer model, every single video you post, no matter how many views it gets, is actually helping categorize your account so the algorithm shows your content to the right people that your video is relevant to, that are potential buyers for your new business. So don't stress about the views, because even the ones that only get 300, 400, 500 views, they're sending signals to the algorithm. They're giving it information. That way your future videos can perform better. And if you're tracking the leads, you might even find out that that video that got 500 views might have produced a pretty large number of leads. So maybe you want to post it again anyway. As long as every video that you post is helping people to take that next step on their journey and toward the online program that you developed to help them get the result that they're seeking from your content, you're going to be good. Everything is going to work out. But if you're ready to put this into action now and build a TikTok account that actually makes you money, instead of hoping to one day monetize your views, there's two things you need to do. First, you need to set up your funnel. That way you have a system to make money from your content. And to make it easy on yourself, just upload my system for free using the link in the description. With one button click, it loads everything into your Go High Level account. Once you've done that, I want you to watch this video next. It's a 30-day plan to blow up on TikTok by attracting viewers that will actually buy from you. Combine these two things and you could be making your first sales this month.